Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add extensions to Safari on Mac. To do it, just open the Safari app, then click on Safari in the status bar and click on Safari extensions. Then it will get you to App Store, and in App Store you'll be able to search for different extensions. Here are some recommendations, but you can also just go into the search bar and search for something, and then you'll be able to download it. So I'm gonna select the AdBlock, so just click on that, then click on Get and click on Install. Now it's gonna install. And now you can open that if you want. Then in this case the configuration looks like this. Okay, and now I can close out of that, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on extensions. So just go into Safari, then click on Safari in the status bar, settings, then click on extensions, and here are all of your installed extensions, and you can enable the one you want. So that's how you enable it. Just check it. You can also enable the icon for some. I also have a few more, so I can also enable them, and they will be displayed here, as you can see. So now when I close out of the extensions, you can see that I have it here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.